Hi guys, and good morning. I'm super excited to be here and to share with you guys a little bit of my spring skincare refresh routine. I always think that spring is the perfect time to kind of spend some more time and to give your skin a little bit of extra tender love and care that it really deserves. So I'm going to be using some of my favorite tools from Tweezerman, and these tools just really help my skin get that extra beautiful canvas for my skincare routine or my makeup routine. So I'm just gonna pin my hair back so that we can focus on my skincare routine. So first up, we have the Tweezerman Clear Skin Microderm tool, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of like this clear looking square tool, but on the other side it has kind of a rough surface, and it's similar to like a nail file, I would say, or a pumice, but obviously this is made and created for your face, so it's going to give you gentle exfoliation and kind of melt away that dead skin and really just give you that clear, clean surface that you're looking for. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. And of course, I already washed my face with a gentle cleanser. Before exfoliating, you should never have anything on your face, no sunscreen, no serum, no moisturizer. All of that will come after. So when I use this tool, I hold it by the curved edges, and then I like to pull my skin so it's taut, or basically that means hold it so it's a little bit tight so that you have more of like a grip on your skin and you'll be able to move it in the downward direction so that you can exfoliate. So when using this tool, you want to glide it down in a downward motion and kind of do short little strokes. And this tool is very gentle, so it's perfect for using it at home and kind of using it once or twice a week or whatever you feel is necessary. I like to do my whole face once or twice a week, just depending on how much it goes through, how much makeup I'm using, how much buildup I have. Okay, so we're done with that. Next, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite tools for exfoliation, which is the Tweezerman Facial Razor. This tool has been such a game changer in my routine because it not only gives me the exfoliation that I'm looking for, but it also gets rid of dead skin cells and of course any peach fuzz that I have on my skin, which I do get a lot of, so this one is perfect. I also love that it comes with a little protector, and then it also comes with extra little razors so that you can replace it. I like to replace it maybe once a month if I'm using this tool, maybe once a week, I would say. So we're gonna take off the protector, and the way that I like to use this tool is I like to hold it at a 45-degree angle, and then I like to use my finger close to the top here to give myself that support and to give myself more control when I'm using the tool. And I always like to do it in a downward motion. I like to start with one side of my face and then kind of make my way to the other side, and then end with the forehead and get closer in with my brows if I need that. So let's get started with it. So once again, I like to pull the skin taut so that I have kind of more control of the tool. I feel when the skin is tighter, I just am able to glide it more effortlessly, I would say. With a 45-degree angle, I use short downward motions. I feel like I can already see the peach fuzz coming off. I've only done it a little bit, so there isn't a ton, but let's continue. So look how much has come off so far. I really love this tool, and I think it's a game changer for at-home exfoliation. It's super easy to do, super quick, and I think once you start using it regularly, you're really gonna notice a difference on your makeup application and of course your skincare and how it penetrates and It just really makes it more effective, I think. And one tip I do have when using a microderm tool or a facial razor or both is to really go in after with your skincare routine and really use moisturizing, hydrating products. I always like to use a very hydrating serum or like a gel moisturizer or even like a very hydrating face mask or sheet mask, just because after I do this, I do feel like my skin is sensitive and I need to bring back that moisture. Of course, spring and summer, as I said, are the times where our skin goes through the most, whether it's wearing a lot of makeup for events, spending time in the sun, or just neglecting your skin altogether. Now is the time where we should really just take some extra time and give our skin the extra love that it deserves. And of course, if you have any questions on how I use these Tweezerman products in my routine, be sure to leave them in the comments.